Hi guys, today we talk about how can you add web on your Wallapop. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that in your app. So all you have to do, you just go down, click here on you down here. When you click here on you, it's going to take you to next here. Then all you have to do, you just click here on settings. So then it's going to take you to next here. Then all you have to do now, just click here on edit profile. When you just click on it, it's going to take you to next here. Then all you have to do, you just go down here. So you keep going down, then you come here to web. You just click here on web here. So before that you have to get premium. uh, if you have it, you just come to here in add web, go above save, click on save here, then it's going to save with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.